Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let's me introduce you. My name is Rabbi Muladi. You can call me Rabbi. Name 19073026. Majors Automotive Engineering Education. Faculty of Engineering, Padang State University. The purpose of making this video is for achievements in engineering English courses with the lecturer Mr. Wawan Purwanto, SPD MT. Okay, I will try to explain about location and parts of engine. Number 1. Cylinder block. The cylinder block is an integrated structure consisting of the cylinder of the piston combustion motor and some or all of its associated surrounding structures, the cooling section, the parts of the inlet and outlet spark, joints, and crankcase. The location of the cylinder block right in the middle of the engine. The bottom is closed by the carter and the top is also closed by the cylinder head. Number 2. Cylinder head. The cylinder head has a function, namely the engine combustion place, the spark plug installation, the lubricating oil to work, the cooling water circulating, the valve mechanism, the intake and exhaust channels. Cylinder head is located at the top of the cylinder block. The cylinder head must withstand high temperatures and pressures while the engine is running. Therefore, generally the cylinder head is made of cast iron. Number 3. Carter. Carter itself functions to accommodate oil or lubricant in the engine so that lubricating oil is always available. On the carter, there are separator and drain plug components. The separator or baffle on the carter function to keep the surface of the lubricating oil in the carter flat even when the finish is running on the oblique position. Carter or oil trough is located at the very bottom of the vehicle engine. Number 4. Crankshaft. The crankshaft is a part of the engine that changes the vertical or horizontal motion of the piston into rotational motion atau rotation. The change this a crankshaft requires a crankpin, an additional bearing that is placed at the end of the drive rod on each cylinder. The crankshaft is located inside the engine, just below the piston rod. Number 5. Piston. The piston is the engine component that forms the combustion chamber together with the cylinder block and cylinder head. The piston also makes an up and down motion to carry out the engine work cycle, and the piston must be able to transmit the combustion power to the crankshaft. So we can see that the piston has a very important function is carrying out the engine work cycle and in generating combustion power. The piston is located in the cylinder chamber. The piston is connected to the piston rod via the piston pin. Number 6. Camshaft. There are three main functions of the camshaft or camshaft, namely 1. To open and close the valve according to the ignition timing request or FO. 2. To drive the fuel pump or gas station. 3. To rotate the distributor shaft, because on the camshaft 3 is a distributor drive gear or distributor drive gear. The position of the camshaft depends on the operation of the valve, directly or by using additional mechanisms such as passrod and rockers. In the direct open valve operation model, the camshaft is in the upper position of the combustion cylinder. In today's gasoline engine, the overhead cam system is widely used. Some engines use a single connected camshaft to drive the intake valve and exhaust valve, which we often call the SOHC or single overhead cam, while some others engines use two camshafts, one connected in the intake valve and the other to the exhaust valve, which we call the DOHC or dual overhead camshaft. Number 7. Timing gear. The function of the gear timing can be interpreted as a connecting gear to transfer the crankshaft rotation to engine equipment that requires torque. Number of that and arrangement, depending on engine model, consists of a drive gear that rotates with the crankshaft torque and either gear. Timing gear is located at the front of the FR Type car engine and is located to the right of the FF Type car engine. Number 8. Valve mechanism. Valve mechanism function. The valve mechanism has two uses, namely regulating the intake of the air and fuel mixture into the combustion chamber, and regulating the exhaust of combustion gases to the outside air. Generally, the valve mechanism is located inside the cylinder head. Number 9. Flywheel. The flywheel is a wheel that is used to dampen change in rotation speed by utilizing rotation inertia, moment of inertia. Due to this inertia, the flywheel can store mechanical energy for a short period of time. The flywheel is located between the engine and transmission, right in front of the clutch chain. So what can I explain about location and parts of my engine? I hope what I explained earlier can be useful knowledge. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.